Hello, hello. It's Bycolor the bear. And look, a letter. It's a party invitation. A big party on the big hill with all of Bycolor's friends. Yay! But, oh no, the party is far, far away, and it starts very soon. We need to go fast. Let's find something with wheels. Ready? Let's race. Listen, vroom, vroom. Something red is zooming down the hill. It's coming fast. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Look at it go. It's a car. A little red car. Car? Car? Can you say it? Car? The car says vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Hop in, Bycolor. Drive, drive, drive. Off we go. Yay! Good job! The road ends here. Now what? Look around, Bycolor. Quick, quick. I see something shiny behind the bush. What is that? Peekaboo. Look what we found. It's a bike. A green bike with two big wheels. Bike? Bike? Can you say it? Bike? The bike says ring, 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 ring. Pedal, Bycolor, pedal, faster, faster. Whee! Yay! Good job! Look, a big yellow bus. But oh no, the bus is stuck in the mud. It's the bus, the big yellow bus. Let's help it. Bus. Bus. Can you say it? Bus. The bus says beep, 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 beep. Push, Bycolor, push. The bus is so big and heavy. The monkey is here to help. Push together. 1, 2, 3. The bus is out. Everybody on the bus. Beep, beep. Yay! Good job! Oh no! The bus is going without us. Wait, bus, wait! Run, Bycolor, run! Faster, faster, you can do it! Phew! We caught the bus, silly bus. Now, let's ride. The bus stops here. And look, our butterfly friend is back. The butterfly is showing us the way. Follow it. Quick, quick. It's a train, a little blue train. All aboard. Train. Train. Can you say it? Train. The train says choo, 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 choo. The train goes fast. Chugga, 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 chugga. Whee! Yay! Good job! Oh, a big pond. We cannot drive here. How do we cross? Look, the little duck is pushing something. Quack, quack. It's a boat, a little sailboat. Thank you, duck. Boat. Boat. Can you say it? Boat. The boat goes splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. Sail, Bycolor sail. Across the water we go. Yay! Good job! Almost there. The party is up on the big hill, but it's so high. Who is up in the tree? The monkey, and he has something amazing. The monkey has a toy rocket, a real flying rocket. It's a rocket, a purple rocket, to the party. Up, up, up. Rocket, rocket. Can you say it? Rocket. The rocket says, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. 3, 2, 1, blast off. Whee! To the party. Yay! Good job! Hooray! We made it to the party and all our friends are here. What a race! Let's count everything we rode today. 1. The car. Vroom. 2. The bike. Ring, ring. 3. The bus. Beep, beep. 4. The train. Choo, choo. 5. The boat. Splash. 6. The rocket. Whoosh. 6 fast friends brought us to the party. Great job, friends. Party time. Dance, Bycolor. Dance. Everybody is so happy. Thank you for racing with Bycolor today. You are super fast. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye. See you next time.